Camping is all about disconnecting from your daily life and simply relaxing and recharging in nature. Many campers these days want to try backcountry camping, where there is no electricity and you are alone with nature. It can appear daunting at first, but once you learn what to do and how to manage various scenarios, you'll find that camping without electricity is even more satisfying. With these beginner camping tips for camping without electricity, you can be one with nature and truly relax in the backcountry. One. Prepare yourself. Coming prepared is essential for any successful journey. This is especially important if you're planning on camping in the traditional sense. Make sure you do your homework on the campground you've selected. Is there a source of water? You know there's no electricity. In the event of an emergency, where would you go to get assistance? Also, make sure you pack enough to cover all of your needs, including sleeping, cooking, dining, bathing, and entertainment. Making a checklist and using it while packing would be beneficial. 2. Plan your meals. Make your meals ahead of time and keep things quick. Since you won't have access to electricity, you'll have to cook over a campfire, a barbecue, or an electric stove, depending on your preferences. Plan your meals for each day of your trip and choose recipes that are simple to prepare. If at all necessary, do the majority of the prep work at home. Be sure to properly pack your cooler and to cook perishables first. If you're going to cook over an open fire, make sure you have everything you'll need. 3. Bring water to drink. When there is no power in the backcountry, there is normally no source of drinking water as well. Check to see if the location you've selected has a water supply. If there is, it is normally safe to use for bathing and dishwashing, but not drinking. Bring enough clean drinking water to last the duration of your journey. You may carry gallons of water or individual bottles of water. 4. Bring a light source. To move around the campsite, particularly at night, you'll need a source of light. A campfire may be lit, but it cannot be moved or brought inside your tent. Carry a torch, a lantern, several candles, and extra batteries, if possible. 5. Keep yourself wet. It's important to be prepared for cold nights no matter what season you're camping in. Bring a thermal sleeping bag, a wool coat, wool socks, warm sheets, extra bedding, sleeping pads, and a wool sweater. Following these easy but useful tips can make camping without electricity easier over time. If you like this video, hit the button of like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.